Groom's parents.
Once again, palakpakan na natin ni Courage. Mr. and Mrs. Limuna.
At pagkatapos kasal, nagpa-picture-picture na family picture. Maninoy-maninoy. Mga groom and bridesmaid.
Please prepare the family.
Blow. Abi niya kwan na Abi niya to. Sige, on ba yun?
Mama, will turn it on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, yeah. And then goes okay, for the parents, no. We have to parents continue. We always feel the presence and peace. Let them in their journey and let their lives continue to reflect in grace and love. This is okay. So this time we go to the declaration of dear beloved, Lord our here, in the sight of God and the presence of His witnesses, to join together with JR and God in holy Amen. This is a memorable day.
Bring home si Habi.
It is therefore
Sharon siya.
into life, we have to developly discover minds in the fear of God. So before we ask the other topic, hindi ka makaka-faith, free will, kung kayo kayo magawa.
Thank you for watching.
Commit yourselves to ways as ordered by God. If so, please, we do. Answer me, we do. We do. No?
We do.
Duhan ka po, 1, 2, 3.
We do.
Honor and cherish one another, to remain faithful in sickness and in health, for richer or poorer, for better or worse, until death do you part. 1, 2, 3 naman, you do. Amen.
So that it may go well with you, you will enjoy long life on the earth.
This time, we will call upon JR and Dory. They have prepared a personalized speech para sa ilang mga parents. Amen. So, JR, ikaw mauna.
Sa ako. Saka hindi ako napabayaan ng pera niya. Saka, biskan mag-asawa pa ako. Para naman ito priority ko mo.
Sharon si Onyok, ah. Balutin mo ako. Tapos na. Dor, mauna kami, Dor. Bye-bye. Dahil madaan na ka po, no?